Welcome to Jadda's Craft Cottage. Today we will be making bean bags for the cornhole game. Let's get started. To make these bean bags for cornhole, you will make 4 bags each in 2 contrasting colors. You can use duck fabric, denim, or canvas. I'm using some fun fabric from my stash. You will need for each bag 2 pieces of fabric that are 7 inches by 7 inches, 2 pieces of fusible interfacing that are 6.5 inches each, some matching thread, and some beans, and I'm using the Great Northern beans. You can also use popcorn or corn feed for animals. Because I'm not using fabrics like duck or denim, I want to make my cotton fabric thicker by ironing on the interfacing. So I'm going to take the interfacing on the back side. You have a gluey part here, and I'm going to press it. Now I want to pin the right sides together. You want to make a 1/2 inch seam around all of the edges, starting on one side, leaving an opening here, and you want to back stitch both of these ends so it reinforces it. I've reinforced the sewing where the opening is. Now I want to snip off the corners, and I want to go as close but not touching the stitching. You want to turn this inside out. Using the boning tool to get to the corners. Now I want to press everything down, and because it already has a 1/2 inch seam inside here, the pressing will make it easier for when I sew it on top. Press the bag. The opening will automatically have a 1/2 inch seam tucked into it. Before I stuff the bag with the beads, I'm going to make an 1/8 of an inch seam along the 3 sides, not the side where it's open. The top stitching reinforces the bag. I have weighed out 14 ounces of beans, and with a wide mouth funnel, I'm going to pour the beans into the bag. I'm going to pin it and then take it to the sewing machine, and I'm going to do 2 rows of stitching so that it is really reinforced. I double stitched the opening here so that when it's thrown, the beans won't pop out. The finished size for the cornhole bags are 6 inches by 6 inches. If you want to make bean bags so that toddlers can use them, the fabric is 5 inches by 5 inches. The interfacing is 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches. I put 3.5 ounces of beans in each bag, and the finished size is 4 by 4. When my son was a toddler, I made a cookie monster out of plywood. I put 3 or 4 holes around the body, and I made the bean bags to look like cookies. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.